part A, we will be doing a Tabata. 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest. We have a list of 4 separate movements that we will rotate through until we have achieved 8 rounds of each movement. Movement number 1 is the hollow rock. Movement number 2, side plank on the right side. We can perform that on our elbow or on our hand. Movement number 3 will be the arch rock. And movement number 4 will be the side plank on the left side, again, elbow or arm. For part B today, we have a workout with a pair of dumbbells, 7 rounds for time. We will perform 14 dumbbell deadlifts, followed by 14 dumbbell shoulder presses, alternating hands. So 1 repetition will be on one side, we'll re-rack it, the other repetition will be on the other side. We have a prescription for this workout since this is a repeat for us. 50 pounds for the guys, 35 pounds for the ladies. But whatever you have on hand at home is going to have to work. So, good luck. We're excited to hear how you did. Please post your comments to our notes.